In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize your productivity by using Focus Mode in Microsoft Word. This feature is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to minimize distractions and immerse themselves completely into their writing or editing tasks. We'll walk through each step to make sure you can easily toggle in and out of this mode as you need. Let's start by opening your document in Word. If you don't have a document open yet, feel free to pause the video, locate the document you want to work on, and then open it. Once you're ready, we can proceed. Now that your document is open, I want you to take a look at the top of your screen and find the ribbon. The ribbon is where Word keeps most of its command buttons and options. You'll notice several tabs across the top, like Home, Insert, and Design. The one we're interested in is labeled View. Go ahead and click on the View tab. This tab is your go-to place for changing the way your document is displayed. With the View tab open, focus your attention on the section that might be labeled Immersive or something similar. The naming can vary slightly depending on which version of Word you're using, but it will generally be around the middle or towards the right of the ribbon. In this Immersive section, you'll want to look for a button that says Focus. It's this Focus button that's going to work its magic and expand your document to take up the full screen. When you click it, you'll notice that the ribbon, any toolbars, and other on-screen distractions will be minimized or entirely hidden from view. Your document will stretch across your screen, giving you the space you need to concentrate entirely on your work without any interruptions. Now, while this focus mode is excellent for getting work done, you'll eventually want to exit and return to the normal view. Luckily, this is a simple process too. To exit focus mode, you have two straightforward options. The first option is to press the ESC key on your keyboard. This is a quick and handy method if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts. The second option is to look for an exit button, which might appear as a subtle icon or button on your screen. Clicking this will also bring you back to the default view you're more familiar with, restoring all your ribbons and toolbars just the way you left them. And there you have it. You now know how to toggle focus mode on and off in Microsoft Word, which can greatly enhance your ability to work without distractions. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with fellow Word users who might appreciate a little more focus in their day-to-day work. Happy writing!